Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Today we are going to discuss about Chapter 1, Digital Circuit Application. Today we are going to discuss about Chapter 1, Digital Circuit Application. Okay. This lesson objectives are construction of combinational gates and its applications, classification of logic gates, arithmetic circuits like adder and subtractor, how the digital signals are decoded and encoded, the way of multiplexing and demultiplexing, construction and working flip-flops in memory, construction of binary counters and register and its application. These all we want to learn for this lesson. Okay? Okay. 1 or 2 seconds. You have to see what is combinational gates, what is application of basic gates. That application of basic gate is very simple only. NOT gate, AND gate and OR applications. Okay. NOT, AND and OR. We already discussed in 11th standard computer technology also. Second chapter. Did you remember the chapter? Did you remember the chapters? Okay. I will give 1 or 2 minutes. You have to see. Okay? Okay. The next one is combinational gates. Okay. The next one is combinational gates. We know the gates name. Now let us see some of other gates construct by using these basic gates which are called combinational call. இதில் நம்ம combinational gate சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR and XNOR. What are the combinational gates? 4 gates we are called combinational gate. 4 gates we are called combinational gates. What are the gates? NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR and XNOR. NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR and XNOR. Did you understand what I am saying? Okay. Okay, listen. In this sections we are going to discuss about NAND gate. In this section we are going to discuss about NAND gate. Generally, we know about and provide logic gate. Generally, we know about and provide logic gate multiplication. Whatever logic gate multiplication by AND gate, whatever logic gate multiplication by AND gate complemented using NAND gate. Just complete of AND gate is nothing but just complete of AND gate is nothing but NAND gate. As the name indicates, NAND is nothing but not. NAND is nothing but not. And so NAND is nothing but not and NAND. Okay, so that means complement to NAND gate. See the logical simple. Two inputs NAND gate for. Look at your book. Take page number 3. Two inputs NAND for NAND gate. Okay, we will get n number of input lines. That particular logic gate. So now, for example, two input NAND gate. So this is the logic gate. Two inputs for NAND gate. So whatever output the loss that is going to load, that means complement. So here generally if you are providing A and B as a input, generally you can provide A and B input. For AND gate, you are getting a, for example, you are giving same example A and B. For a NAND gate, you are getting complement of logical multiplication. You are getting complement of logical multiplication of y equal to A into B the whole bar. Complement of multiplication. We are going to NAND gate. Here we can design the gate. We can take this also equivalent NAND gate. So here you are having one AND gate, one NOT gate. So here example A and B, for this AND gate, this value is equal to A and B. When this example given, you are getting X bar as output. X bar means you have to take Y bar. Okay, Y bar is your as output. Now our Y equal to same only A into B whole bar, coming to the truth table. So truth table, we are giving all the inputs and outputs combination, having two input and only one output. Having two inputs and one output. That one output is equal to combination having two input and one output. That one output is equal to A dot B the whole bar. A into B the whole bar. So here two input variable I may have four combination. I may have four combinations. Maybe 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are four combination. These are four combination and two inputs variable for one outputs. The logical multiplication complement with two types. 0 0 into actually 0, but your complement is 0. Your complement is 0 means you are getting 1 here because the complement. Next 0 into 1 0, but this is complement, you have to take 1. Yes, next one is 1 0. That same 1 0 is 0, you are taking complement means 1. 1 1 is 0, but sorry, 1 1 is 1, but you are getting 0 complement. Yes, did you understand what I am saying? Wherever all these inputs are going to provide 0, well, input 0 is going to provide 1, like that. Its input 0 is provide 1. It's going to give, we need to get the letter, we need to get better combination. So this statement are very important. So here one NAND gate observe truth table. One NAND gate observe the truth table. So observing truth table, we can say that whenever 1 means at least 10 whenever you means at least 1 0, you getting 1, at least 1. If any one of this input is 0, then output will be 1. Whenever all the inputs are high, whenever all the inputs are high, really you are getting 0. Then only whatever word, this is very important, selecting the position whatever. Okay, this is the combination of NAND gate. This is the combination of NAND gate. Did you understand what I am saying? Okay, I will give one more minute. Write neatly. I will give 2 minutes. Write neatly. Are you writing? Write neatly without any mistake. Okay. Okay guys, the next one is NOR gate. The next one is NOR gate. Okay. The next one is NOR gate. NOR gate as the name indicate. NOR gate as the name indicate. NOR gate complement gate of NOR gate complement gate of OR gate. NOR gate is complement gate of OR gate. So you can see the logic gate. So you can see the logic gate here also here. So you can see the logic gate here also. Some not for OR gate. Some not for OR gate, which is used to logical simple. Which is used to logical simple of OR gate. Which is used to logical simple of OR gate. So see here, NOR gate is going to provide. So NOR gate is going to provide complement of O means complement of O means A plus B. Complement of O means A plus B. Complement of 0 means A plus B the whole bar. Complement of 0 means A plus B the whole bar. So if you are providing AB, if you are providing AB input of NOR gate, the output of this NOR gate, this output of this NOR gate is equal to A plus B the whole bar. A plus B the whole bar. So now we can equal this NOR gate. Now we can equal this NOR gate with this circuit. With this circuit also, or with NOT is equal to NOR. NOT is equal to NOR gate. So for example, if you are giving A and B. So for example, if you are giving A and B, if you are giving the table A plus B to some NOR gate will provide complement of A plus B the whole bar. Complement of A plus B the whole bar, which is similar to NOR gate. Which is similar to NOR gate output. Now coming to the truth table. Two inputs are gate. Here I am taking input combination. You may have an input combination. You may have an input combination as input for NOR gate. NOR any gate you may have n number of inputs, only one output. So here this is NOR gate, can have n number of inputs, can have output. So IND take two inputs OR gate. You have to take two inputs. What are the inputs? A and B. What are the inputs? A and B. Okay, you have to give A and B input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. First is you have to take 0 0. You have to take 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The normally we have to take AND gate is adding symbol only. You have to take complement value. 0 0 means 0. You have to take complement means whole bar. You have to take 1. 0 1 means that is 0. 0 1 means 1. You have to take complement. Bar means 0. 1 0 means 1. You have to take complement 0. 1 1 means 1. Did you understand what I am saying? This is very easy and very important topic. Suppose you have to take engineering means that easy department is whatever department, that first lesson means This is all will comes. Okay, did you understand? Okay, the next one is, okay, just look at your book and see. Next, take page number. Okay, next that universal gates. Okay, next that just listen. Universal gate. Just listen. Universal gate. What are the universal gates? NAND and NOR gates are termed as the universal gate. What are the universal gate? Universal gate means NAND and NOR gate. What is universal gate? NAND and NOR gates are universal gate. We can derive the operations for any other gates function. We can derive the operation of any other gate function. We can derive the any other operations of derived function. The next one is XOR gate. This next one is XOR gate. Okay. The next one is XOR gate. Listen carefully. XOR gates generally XOR can have n number of input. XOR gate generally XOR can have n number of inputs only. N number of inputs only. Only one output. This is also called as OR 1. This is also called as AND 1. Now let us see is having two input. Let us having two inputs and one output. Let us having two inputs and one output. Here A and B inputs are XOR gate. The output XOR gate is known as A or B. A or B. See the symbol A plus B until the round particle, that is OR. A or B. This XOR gate, the output XOR gate is known as A or B. Okay. This XOR operator, when you saw here, if you are giving A and B, is input, output, XOR gate, this means the meaning of A plus B. This means the meaning of A plus B. This means the meaning of A plus B is nothing but A bar plus B bar plus AB. Sorry, A bar plus B bar plus AB. This is actually meaning of XOR gate. What time rotating complement of multiply plus you are adding alternate combination. So this is the meaning of XOR gate. Now we will go for the truth table. So as we are taking two input, the same as we are taking two inputs variable, this is generally how many combinations will come. How many combinations will come? 2 squared combination. That is 2 power 2 combination will come. Okay, 2 power 2 combination will come. Okay. See the truth table. A and B is the inputs and Y equal to A plus or B the whole bar equal to output. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The NOR gate itself, we know NOR gate means adding the number. Yes, NOR gate means adding the number, isn't it? Okay, 0 0. What is the answer? 0 0 is, what is the answer? 0 0 is 0 only. Here the whole complement. We are taking complement means 1. We are taking the complement means 1. Next 0 1. 0 means 1. We are taking complement means 0. 1 0 that's taking complement. 0 1 1 means 1. This is the difference between NOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, this is the difference between NOR gate and XNOR gate. Okay, first is the standard symbol of exclusive NOR gate is shown. See this figure. Take page number 7. The bubble on the output of the XNOR symbol indicate that is output in opposite to the XOR gate. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1 and 1 plus 1 equal to 1 0. Examination of the truth table for an XOR gate show that its output is binary sum of the two input bits. In this case, where the inputs are both 1, the output is sum equal to 0. But you lost the carry of 1. We will see how XOR gates are combined to make complement adding circuits. Secondly, NAND gate and NOR gates are called the universal gate. What are the universal gate? This is one more question, okay? Don't forget. This is the one more question. Don't forget, NAND gate and NOR gates called universal gate is more versatile. It is more versatile gates. So far we have learned 7 types of gate: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, XNOR, XOR, ENOR. Yes, we can learn like that gates. Yes or no? Okay. This is for NOR gate. Okay. We will see another one gate also. We will see another one gate. Exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gates. Okay. Exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate. Exclusive OR and exclusive NOR gate are formed by a combination of the earlier gates that we discussed so far. These gates are used in many fundamental applications. These gates are many used in fundamental application and treated as basic logic elements standard symbols for exclusive OR. Okay, you know very well these standard symbols for exclusive OR. நம்ம ரொம்ப பிரீஃபாக எல்லாம் பார்த்தாச்சு. திருப்பி என்ன வருதோ அந்த அரைச்சமாவே தான் என்ன வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். சின்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ் தான், அதை நீங்கள் நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஓகேங்களா? The XNOR gate has only 2 inputs. The XNOR gate have only 2 inputs. The output of XOR gate is high. This output of XOR gate is high. only when the input of the gates are in opposite logic level. In opposite of logic level, the output of the output of the gate is low. When the inputs are identical, both are low or high. Both are low or high. The inputs are both low or high. For an XNOR gate is the output Y is high only when two input A is low and B is high, and vice versa. It will be low on other condition. It will be low on other conditions. The unique characteristics of XNOR gate is that it produces high output only one and odd number of high inputs are present. Only high number of inputs are present. See, the truth table is easy. You have to take Y equal to A bar dot B plus Y equal to A bar into B plus A into B bar. This can be often shortened by the OR gate. Y equal to A plus B, the A or B. It's easy only. Okay, I will give time. You have to write. Okay, I will give two or three more minutes. Your homework is that first you have to write application of basic gates. Okay, your homework is you have to write application of basic gates: NOT gate, NAND gate, and OR application. Okay, NOT gate application, AND gate application, or OR application. First, NAND gate diagram, NAND gate application diagram, and OR gate application diagram, and OR application diagram. That is your homework. Study and draw. Study and draw. Write neatly. I will give the time. Write neatly. Okay. I will give 2 more minutes. I will give 2 more minutes. Write neatly. Write neatly. Write neatly. Use pencil and eraser for drawing. Don't write anything. Write neatly. Okay, write neatly, write neatly, write neat.